second video of replacing coils on a Vanguard 23 horse. You can see I have the business card in here, and these aren't tight. I can move this up and down. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push this down as I tighten these 2 bolts and make sure I keep a consistent pressure on it. Then afterwards I can go with my feeler gauge and make sure that the gap is correct. Also, I forgot to mention, I don't know if you can kind of see this. This little wire has a diode in it right here. I'm trying to see if I can get it. You can see this wire back here. You can kind of see it plugs into the back of the coil. I'll kind of show you on this. See, it has the back of the coil right here. It has the little male adapter on there. That's basically for when you turn the ignition off, it grounds out these coils and stops the spark, so the engine will stop. Sometimes we will replace these. This one doesn't look too bad. They're not having any issues with the engine not stopping, so I'm going to gap this correctly, get everything wired back up correctly, and then yes, then I'm going to make sure that the unit runs. I'm going to test it, and if we don't have any problems once it's warmed up, then we're good to go. Alright, if you have any questions, contact your supervisor or go to aefresno.com. You can also call us at 275-3891.